Have you been looking for ways to grow your capability when it comes to managing and leading change in your organization? Avaap Change Academy workshops are designed and built to help you do just that, empowering you to drive sustainable change while achieving your desired results. Here are the top 5 reasons to attend our workshops. Our sessions are facilitated by current change professionals sharing real-life change experiences. Avaap Change leads have an average of over 12 years of experience and will openly share that with you to help guide you on your change capability journey. Change Academy workshops provide you with tools and resources that you can immediately put to use in your day-to-day work. We can help you start or grow your change tool library. Focus on applying what you learn through immersive learning experiences that include in-the-moment application of tools and concepts. Make new connections, not only with the facilitators, but with other participants, as you network and gain insights from people with similar experiences. We unlock this potential through small and large group discussions in every session. All of our workshops offer an exceptional value measured in time and experience to ensure you are getting more for your money. For more information, visit the Avaap Change Academy website or reach out to changeacademy@avaap.com.